that's good for the team. You see the improvement all the time, ano ha?
That's right. And actually, mas maganda yung nilalaro ng Zeus so far, not just for this conference, but also during the previous conferences.
Oh, yes, indeed. In the meantime, and that is proof that if you
Arroyo
draft
scores one.
and
Zeus
trade
Coffee.
well, that service
Scores an
inside.
ace.
It's a service ace. And this place is filled to the rafters. Pati parking puno. Pati parking sa Santolan Town Plaza puno rin. Oh, missed by Santiago.
This time on the approach there, sayang yung combination play na yon ng Zeus
Hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta. Mali yung talon mo.
na off time.
Na off timing ka tuloy. Tama yun. Samantala, good reception that time. And the dump over. Creamline trying to keep it in play. Tots blasts away. Arroyo working the back row. Ceballos denied. Kept in play by Mondoñedo. Eroa makes it a set. Santiago shoots away. De Guzman always showing great floor defense skills. Nice slide to the floor. Mondoñedo with the sibat. And it's still in play. Hanggang bukas to. Okay, hindi naman. And Pons takes care of tying up this first set. This game we want to play, you have to master all your fundamentals. Kasi you'll never know when you need your toss, your dig, and even your bump set. In the meantime, the post is into the open area.
Scores again.
Four straight points by Creamline after being down 3-0 at the start. Mondoñedo. That's gonna score.
Ceballos ties the set at 4.
And also yung blocking ng
Riza
Creamline,
Nogales.
hindi ganon ka-established.
Serving for Zeus Coffee.
Parang tennis, yun, hindi mo kailangan malakas palagi. No?
Pwesto, play
Play
safe.
safe. You must enjoy it terribly.
Carlos
Pagka
down
nakaka-play
the
safe.
line. Kate Santiago. Serving for Zeus Coffee.
You know, when it's coach back doing the announcing, parang tayo nasa airport, ano ha? Cool na cool. Parang hindi ako ma-delay sa aeroplano.
Off the hand. Gagate.
Actually activates our middle attackers.
Ang galing niya sa ganun, ano? Yung agad ang ina-activate niya. Ceballos with a hand on it. Erro with a major chase. And they keep it in place. Ceballos hooks it back in. It's a joust in the middle of the net. Ceballos. And I think. Ito, malakas yung wrist. Kasi makikipagbakbakan ka dyan sa malalaki dyan sa net eh.
And also with the timing din.
Oo, more that than strength actually. Gia checks the other side. There's the dump by Bea. Doesn't work. Recycled offense. Oh, that's too strong by Galanza.
Ball is out.
They were quite rattled at the start, had lots of miscommunication and had such low energy, which surprised her because it's been the same lineup before
Royal
the
wipes
reinforced
it
conference.
off the
And
hand
so
of De Guzman.
the Thunderbelts had a team-building activity right after to play lighter and increase the enjoyment. She only hopes that good energy continues for them against Creamline tonight. Back to the action, 7 Panay.
Maraming salamat, Jana Ejido. Yang team building, huwag niyo nga alisin sa budget yan.
Carlos.
Napaka-importante niya
Yes.
sa lahat ng magandang lugar na pinupuntahan niyo. 8
Oo.
all. 8 all. Oh! Bad reception by Galanza. Is in the limelight now as she serves for Zeus Coffee. One-handed toss over. And she does that so well.
De Guzman.
Yes, yung mga
Gagawa ka ng gimmick eh. No? Kailangan meron ka rin gulat eh. Ganda ng palo. Nice set. Galanza shoots. Santiago is there. Kept in play but out of
Arroyo
reach.
down the line.
Nice touch. Oh, well done by
Drops
Galanza.
off.
Pons and then
And she scores.
Lazaro
12.
Revilla ended up
10.
grappling with it. Not sure of whose ball was it. Jessica Margaret Galanza. Reyna. Oh! Ah, ano nangyari daw paning? Hindi niya over the shoulder, hindi na akin. Dikit sa net. Ayun.
Pons at the net. Serving for
Grabe, no?
Zeus
Si
Coffee.
Cici at si Bernadette dahil sa beach volleyball, lumakas lalo ang talon eh. Tingnan mo.
Yes,
Oh.
I agree.
Over the block. Pons.
Really keeping these two teams far from each other. Galanza. Gia with the reverse. It goes through the fingertips of Bea De Leon, I think,
Ball is
because she
in.
took her eyes off the ball.
Zeus.
The first ball by Santiago and a set to Ceballos,
With the
getting
block,
that cross-court hit.
Ceballos.
Akala nyo,
17.
iniwan ko na si Paneng. Hindi naman.
That's right, Ceballos now in the service area.
And Zeus tried to keep it in play. Missed by Gagate. Pons. On Doñedo. Another one of those long rallies.
Bernardo scores her first point.
1 point na lang. Dikit-dikit itong first set na ito. Lori Bernardo, as you mentioned, coming off the bench. The serve by Pons in play. Too close again to the net. But they get the
Gagate,
point
back
of
quick.
the quick.
Taas ng reach ni Cagate. With that
Abay.
quick hit.
Bea Gagate.
Kaya naman bigay ng bigay si Montañez. Pero yung sabi mo nga kanina, ina-activate niya kaagad si Gagate. Para ganahan. Tapos ang laki-laki ng front line mo, hindi mo gagamitin. Ano? Montañedo pushes it to the back row. Pons swings it high. Here comes Galanza. Got it on the floor.
Galanza over the block.
It's good for their
Serving
confidence.
for Zeus Coffee.
It's good for their effort here today. Take the fight right away. Out of cream line. But that's easier said than done. Whoa, Arroyo.
Cross-court shot. Zeus Coffee. Team captain, Clomo Doñedo.
Much needed point for Creamline. They're down by 2 points. Service ace for De
It's an
Guzman. That was a good target. Long ball for Zeus Coffee. For that tip.
Parang pinang eh. Bawi. Ceballos. Gia. Down the line is kept in play. Santiago shoots. Galanza jammed it. Pons fires away. Arroyo is in the back row. Santiago
Santiago finds
got
a
it.
spot.
And Yerma unable to handle it.
21. Zeus Coffee. 19 now.
Nice check ball there.
Goal in. Micah goal. Serving for the Thunderbirds.
Panaga doing what
Carlos
Panaga
with the
does.
block.
Sorry, that was Tots Carlos rather from the middle.
It will work well for Creamline. Maiba lang yung blocking positions ng Zeus.
Panaga now in the service area. Eroa accepting. Oh, the corner is so wide open for Ceballos.
Space pa rin in the middle. Ang layo ng blockers ng Creamline.
Parang pwede pa magtayo ng dalawang bahay doon.
Serving
Oh,
for Zeus
bakit
Coffee.
mainit ang ulo ni
number
Coach,
9,
di ba?
Kate Santiago.
Samantala, 23-21. Pero kung minsan, kailangan paluin mo din in a different way. Here is Carlos keeping it very much in play. Pons!
Pons down the line.
Good target for Pons. There was a check ball. Kaya rin na iba yung direksyon ng defense.
And their presence gives leadership to this young team. Ceballos gets that to
Hit
bite.
out, Ceballos.
We arrive at set point.